All right, before we get started, I just got to share this with you. I've been inflicted with a really bad case of gas the last week and a half. I mean, it just was, like 24 hours a day, even when I was sleeping in my dreams. But the good news is I defeated it. So maybe you've experienced it. It's called gear acquisition syndrome. It's when you think you really got to have something, because if you have that something, it's really going to add so much to your capabilities and everything. Well, for me, it was the Fujifilm XF90 millimeter f2. And, I started watching some YouTube videos and everything, and I said, oh, really, I like that lens. I like primes and all that. But fortunately, I was able to come to my senses, and I am not purchasing this lens, but I did purchase something else. And if you want to find out what it is, you're going to have to wait till next week. But the purpose of this video is to talk about something I did buy for $30. As you know, I'm going to start doing, I think they call them POV, point of view photography, where you're kind of bringing some video into the process as well. And so I bought this neck mount. So I have a Action DJI Action 5 Pro camera, and I was looking for something. Since I don't wear a backpack, I'm going to be using the Peak Design Everyday Sling 3-liter. So not having a backpack, I don't have something to clip a camera on. So I thought I would give this a try, and it's pretty cool. So the camera mounts in, and then there's a button on the back, and I could take this out, snap it in, put it in place, and then let me turn the camera on. And then maybe I can get this. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to take this off, I imagine in time. And we're going to slide there's kind of like a hot shoe attachment. So we're going to put this in, click it into place, put this around my neck. Got to find a slot for get the right angle. There we go. Okay, and then I can adjust the camera. And I'm going to put in a short clip. I just took it for a spin down the driveway. But what I can do, I can connect to my camera, and then I can see the camera on my phone, and I can control it. So kind of the way this is going to go, I'll have to get it oriented right, and it's relatively heavy and kind of stays in place. And then there is a strap, and I'm not sure where I put it, but this strap here, and as you see in the picture on the box, where did I put that box? In this picture here, you can bring that strap around your chest to further hold it in place. But this is what I'm going to use, and then that way when I have my camera over there, but when I have my camera in the hand, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing on the screen and everything. I'm going to give that a try, and because I want to start incorporating some video. I want to focus a little bit more on the video and bring in pictures. So basically, I want to walk different areas and share a little bit, and not so much talk, but just kind of show what I find interesting as I go out and I try to further develop my skills in street photography. I have been going through some of the old content that I captured stills. I did some photo walks back in 2016, 2017, and then I kind of, put my camera on the shelf and let it collect dust. But I'm changing that now going forward, and I may do a video and share some of those stills with you to kind of give you a little bit of idea of what my thinking is, what I find interesting. But I think, when it comes to street photography, there is no perfect composition. It's really what you as the individual photographer feels interesting to you. Now, there are certain things like visual patterns that I think you can incorporate in your compositions, which I hope to demonstrate, and those are things like color theory, scale, contrast, frames, and those type of things, and those are things that I hope to show going forward. And again, this neck mount and the action cam is going to work out well. And then also, just to kind of go together with it, I have these DJI mini receivers that will connect to this camera, and I could also connect it to my Fuji camera if I wanted to record audio. So again, this is really not so much showing you how to do anything. It's really me documenting what I'm doing, and what I hope over the next few months as I get ready for the trip to Tokyo is to learn how to incorporate these different visual components into a coherent video, which would be a combination of actual video, B-roll, A-roll, and then of course the stills layered into the video at the right points and all that. So, just give me a little bit of a creative project, see how I am doing, and have some fun. So again, as my camera shuts off because I'm not doing anything with it, this is the PGYTECH cap lock POV neck mount for DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro, 4, and 3 as well. And it'll also support GoPros, the Hero 13, 12, 11, and 10. So I've seen another manufacturer, but I did find a guy on YouTube, and he spent a lot of time on this. This is what he uses, and it works out pretty good for him. So I'll keep you posted. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Be sure and hit the notification bell. And about the middle of next week, I'll do a big reveal. And it played an integral role in how I got over my gear acquisition syndrome, and it got me on the right track. So I'll about the middle of next week, I should have that content out. Other than that, hopefully you're active with your camera, you're out there, you're being creative, you're making it happen. A Japanese saying is, if you like something, you'll do well. That's something that I keep foremost in my mind. So don't let that camera collect dust. Get out and create. Okay, other than that, till next time.